Please subscribe and press the bell icon for more content.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to change photos background color in Photoshop. First of all, open your photos on the Photoshop. You can see here I am using this photo and I drag and simply drop the Photoshop. You can see here. Then you can see here this is our image and I change the properly on the background color only, not a photos color. This is only background color change the on Photoshop. You can see here. Then follow my step, then go to the image. You can see here this is image option is here. Then click auto tone option and you can make a duplicate layer also. You can press the Ctrl or Command J duplicate layer and go to the image and click auto tone option here. You can see here this is lightly dark option is the photo. Then go to the adjustment layer. You can see here this is our adjustment option is here. Then click this adjustment option and go to the hue saturation option and click the hue saturation option. Simple. You can see here. Then zoom at the page and click this option. You can see here this is take a sample option is here. Then click this option and choose the sample keys, samples color. You can change any color and you can choose the sample. You can choose this the sample color is here. Then drag and here you can see here change the over color. You can choose the green color and you can blue color is here. Then is the drag is here. You can change the color is here. You can see here this is our properly change the color is immediately. You can see here and I drag here maybe light color is here and little bit dark color is here and light also is here. You can see here. Then click this the option also here. You can see here and drag it and simple I little bit left drag here maybe like this. You can see here and I change the little dark color is here maybe like this. You can see here. Then you can use also channel mixers color also here. You can choose the any channel mixers color also here. You can choose here and here maybe like this. You can choose any color also here maybe like this. Simple. Choose the hue saturation color only and change the background color maybe like this. You can see properly background color is changed before after only background color on the face color is here. You can see only change the background color is here before after. You can see. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.